Hello, my dear NORCET aspirants. This is Priyadarshini, your faculty for Adult Health Nursing from Nursing Next Live. In this video, you're going to see about the NORCET 9.0 prelims paper analysis and what is the roadmap for your upcoming mains examination. So let's get into the session. So first and foremost, the paper analysis. Paper analysis is a tedious process where we have to scrutinize and collect data from various students from various regions of India, from national wide. We have collected and compiled the data and we have come up to the conclusion of this particular paper analysis rather than from sticking on to one single source. Always remember, NNL is making everything standardized where we cover n number of population for collecting such feedbacks. So by compiling from various sectors, from various cities, from various regions, starting from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we have came to the conclusion like what is the level of paper, what was the students' insight about the paper. All right. So first and foremost, it is a great privilege for me as a faculty of Nursing Next Live to announce that Nursing Next Live has given 90% strike rate in your prelims examination. Yes. So 90% of the questions has been from our question bank pool of Nursing Next Live, right? And the important role has been played by the strike test series as well, which was released before your examination. So it is a very, very good and enthusiastical thing where 90% of the questions is from the single solo pool of your Nursing Next Live. Right? And this feedback is compiled by all the student subscribers of Nursing Next Live. So that's how we have come to the conclusion it is 90% strike rate. So next, what is the pattern and level of the examination? Right? So prelims paper, most probably it will be from easy to moderate, but this time the paper was completely at the level of moderate. Right? It is like a moderate and it is quite near to the tough level. But for the students who have prepared properly, so for them it is like a moderate level of paper, and you can see like the paper was moderate, particularly the sections, like many sections has scenario based questions. This time they tactically used a strategy of creating the scenario based questions so that the student can waste a lot of time. Right, reading a scenario based question, understanding it, comprehending it and answering it takes a lot of time. So this tactic has been used this time in your NORCET 9.0 prelims, which made a lot of students to struggle with time management. Right, so that is one thing you have to remember about your prelims paper. Otherwise the paper is a moderate level paper, right, for the students who have clearly prepared. Next, what is the weightage of subjects? Right, as you all know, primarily in all the strategy videos, even before this also, we might have reinforced the importance of subjects and weightage of each subjects. In same way, if you take this time also in AHN, we had 22 questions. In OBG, we had around 17 questions. In MHN, we had 12 questions. In PDA, we had 17 questions. In CHN, we have 5 questions, and in FON we had around 6 to 7 questions. So this is how the weightage of the paper has been classically defined by collecting the student data from various sectors. So the highest weightage was given to adult health nursing, OBG, MHN and PDA in this. And we are expecting that FON, which is integrated with these subjects, other subjects, like FON integrated with your medicine and surgery. Those type of questions are much expected in your upcoming NORCET mains examination. So it needs a very, very tactical preparation. So that preparation will be explained by me now. So here we have a few feedbacks of the students who are the subscribers of Nursing Next Live, Plan C+, Plan C+, English, Plan C+, Economy, and NNL Academy students. They have shared their valuable feedbacks, which are truly speaking about their heart, like how Nursing Next Live was helpful for them to clear or in supporting their preparation for their NORCET examination. So these are the few feedbacks from all our subscribers, which you can see where they are so confidently telling that strike test and the question bank MCQs were very much helpful for them to achieve this test so confidently, right? So these are all the feedbacks which we have received from the students. And now, so this is all about the analysis of your NORCET 9.0 prelims, where the paper were so moderate and we had lot of scenario-based questions. They are primarily targeting the nursing priority action. What will be the nurse doing in that particular situation? So which is clinically testing your analytical and critical thinking skills for your exams, right? So let's see what is the 10-day study plan from our end to approach your mains confidently, right? So in this 10-day study plan, it is a combination of 3 concepts. That is, first is practice. So here we have Super 4 grand test for mains, which is completely in the pattern of your mains examination of your NORCET. So this test is going to be exclusively free for all the NORCET aspirants, right? So this is very, very important point to note. This particular GT4, right, GT4 test is completely free for all the NORCET aspirants who are appearing for your upcoming mains examination. Next, we have revision. Revision with Fast Track 9.0 lectures. As you all know, this time we had superbly launched Plan C plus English edition. So under Plan C plus English edition, we have come with NORCET 9.0 Fast Track series, right? It was completely in English and all the Plan C subscribers had been accessed it. All the paid subscribers of Fast Track has been accessed it. And I request all the students to again have a quick review on the Fast Track videos so that it can strengthen your mains journey. Right. So next we have the national pre-NORCET test mains. So that is with the national level ranking. This is a standardized mega test which is going to happen before your actual mains examination to analyze yourself and to see your overall national ranking as well. Right. So it is going to be very, very fruitful, and these things you have to definitely do in your upcoming 10 days. So next, what is inside? As I said you, it is your 4 GTs, which is completely targeting your mains pattern. And this is going to create a real-time experience for you to approach the actual examination. So next is one national pre-NORCET mains test, which is going to be as a computer-based test to analyze yourself before going for the actual paper. So next we have around 91 to 93 hours of Fast Track lectures, which is exclusively available for the paid subscribers, and these videos is going to be in English. This is very, very important point to note. As you all know, most of the plans of NNL is on English, but this Plan C plus Fast Track English edition is also available now. So all the lectures are available exclusively in English in this particular plan. So next we have the prediction series for mains by Masterminds. Yes, already we had a prediction series for prelims also, which was a great hit, and most of the questions were from directly from that prelims prediction series by our Masterminds, right? The same way for the mains also, we are going to come with a prediction series, like it will be live from your next week in YouTube, and it is also free for all, so that you can expand your knowledge and at last time you can have a clinical touch to all these MCQs before going for your examination. So this is the schedule for your 5 GTs, which is including your national pre-NORCET mains examination. So your Super 5 GT mains 1 is on 16th September. It is available now. You can attempt the test also. And today GT2 mains is live. Yes, and your national pre-NORCET test mains will be live on 28th. I request all the students who are watching this video to definitely give an attempt to this test to see your national level ranking and also to analyze yourself, right? And on 22nd of September, we have your GT mains 4, and on 24th September, you have your GT mains 5. So it is a combination of your 4 GTs and your 1 pre-NORCET national mains examination, right? So please note down the dates. These dates are very, very important. Definitely do give this examination before going for your actual examination. So this is the schedule of your prediction series for for your mains examination. As I said you, like this time there were a lot of scenario based questions. We are expecting the same pattern for your mains examination also. And mains will be totally so critical and the paper will be so tactical, right? And we believe that there will be a lot of clinical based questions which is testing the nursing, core nursing skills. So that's why we have come up with a clinical based prediction series that is also exclusively in English. It is also available in English, but this particular series will be completely in English for English audience, right? So this is very, very important point to note. From Monday, we have the session. Monday by Mr. Muthukumaran, we will be having the pediatric section, pediatric clinical based MCQs. And on Tuesday of 23rd September, we have adult health nursing combination of both medicine and surgery by me. And on 24th September, Wednesday, we have community health nursing clinical based question discussion. And we have pharmacology on 25th by me. So do watch these sections in the YouTube live, and I'll be sharing, the link will be live and it will be shared for you all. And if you subscribe NNL, and you can see like whenever the live classes is available, you can attempt it easily, right? So this is the fast track classes availability, like what is the number of lectures you have and what is the total number of hours you have, right? So compiling all the major subjects like pharmacology, nursing foundation, adult health nursing, community health nursing, obstetrics and gynecology, anatomy and physiology, applied microbiology, pediatric nursing, mental health nursing, pathology and genetics, all these subjects, major subjects which are targeted in your mains examination, we have an exclusive English fast track series. So do check out those series before going for your examination. And the total number of videos, you can see the total number of hours is 93 hours of lecture. So it is very, very easy for you to, at least you have to spend around 8 hours in watching this lecture before going for your actual examination. It will be very effective in your approach. So what are the topics which is covered in the grand test? Why we have 90% of strike rate, right? You can ask me why you people always have 90% of strike rate. Because we work on the principle and analysis, right? So we have a NORCET trend analysis, like compiling from the starting of your NORCET examination till date, we have compiled a proper list of topics, a proper list of high yield topics which are probably asked in your examination, which are already asked in your examination, previously asked questions, as well as the upcoming topics which we are expecting to be asked. So these particular topic compilation is strictly done, and based upon that topics only the test series are compiled. So that's why we have this 90% strike rate. So based upon that, we have classically given the topics, classically understand the topics, and based upon those topics we are coming up with the MCQ series, right, the strike test series. So here in MSN Medicine, all the high yield topics which is visualized in front of you, so these topics are typically concentrated on your strike test series, and from these topics the questions will be there, so that you will be having a good practical skill towards these questions. And this is the medicine topics. Again, the medicine topics, which is very, very high yield, EEG waves, GCS, meningitis, hydrocephalus, upper motor neuron and lower motor neuron lesions, multiple sclerosis, ARDS, asthma. We cannot find paper without these important topics. Again, NG tube measurements, hepatitis serology marker, Wilson's disease, dengue. And again, in medicine, we have this thyroid storm, thyroid toxicosis, endocrinology disorders, so which is specific. And we have this diabetic ketoacidosis and your HHNS. These are very, very commonly asked, tested questions in your NORCET examination. And again, hemodialysis, peritoneal dialysis, and electrolyte imbalances, acid-base imbalances. In surgery, Parkland formula, we are expecting Burns questions and all. So it is very, very important to learn about the updates as well. All the updates has been taught for you in your fast track series. And this is about your biochemistry topic, and this is about your microbiology and pathology topics, which is covered in your GT strike examination. And this is about your midwifery and obstetrical nursing topics, which are covered in your GT mains. So these are very, very important topics. For example, in last paper, we had around 5 questions, which is exclusively from Anemia Mukta Bharat. So these particular topics are purely compiled with proper analysis so that you won't miss anything, right? So definitely you're going to have a good strike rate in this time also. So pharmacology topic also, you can see like starting from antiarrhythmics to last 6, which are commonly tested in your examination, is covered in this upcoming GT. And your community health nursing topics are listed here. And pediatric topics, again, this time we had a drastic importance to pediatrics, so it is very, very important to note it. And mental health nursing topics as well. This time we had also had a good weightage to mental health nursing questions as well, right? Yes. So this is all about the topics which are covered in GT mains. Why I was projecting these topics, because these topics you should see it and you should know the importance of these topics, so that you should definitely give an attempt to your grand test, right? Please attend all the grand test, which is exclusively free, and watch the lectures whichever you want, which is necessary from your fast track series, and prepare well for your mains examination. Don't at the last minute, don't wobble yourself with lot of preparation and bogging yourself lot. Don't do that. Be very calm, be very confident, and give a confident approach to the paper. The success is always yours. Plus, you should definitely give the strike test series before going for your actual examination. Thanks for watching, and all the very best for your mains examination.